Hello, everybody. Professor Green here with my best buddy in the entire world. And this is the first installment of what I hope catches on, Voices of Children. Hello there. What's your name, sir?
Stuart.
Stuart what?
Green.
Okay, you passed the first test. What grade are you in?
Second.
Second grade. All right. So I just want to ask you, could you tell me how is school going on the computer? Do you like learning on the computer?
I give it A plus, but there is an S plus, which is the best.
An A plus? Why is it an A plus?
Well, because the teacher can mute you whenever, and
Okay, good. You're doing great.
and you can, and the teacher can share something with you or a book.
Okay, so there are things you like about it, but what are some things that you don't like about Zoom school?
Because it kind of takes a while.
He has the hiccups. Hold on, I'm sorry. He has the hiccups, so boo! Tried to scare him. Okay, go ahead. What are some things you don't like about Zoom school?
I don't like that, like, it takes a minute to get in the school, and sometimes the internet isn't working, and if it doesn't work, basically you can't get in.
Okay, and what about Seesaw? That's what you use to learn. Do you like Seesaw?
I give it,
Maybe he's gonna be a movie critic. I don't know. What do you give it?
A B minus.
Okay, B minus. That's pretty particular. Why?
Well, because if you want to, like, draw something, like, the controls are quite awkward if they don't give you a mouse. It's just, like, really awkward.
It's not a touchscreen like the iPad, and it's a Chromebook, which is great.
It could be. There's a chance, but...
Okay, yeah. So it's a Chromebook, which is great, but you can't touchscreen and draw on it, so it's hard to use the mouse, right, to draw.
Mm-hmm.
All right. Okay. So what about when you go to school? He goes to school how many times a week?
4 or 2.
2. Remember how many days in the week there are?
2.
How many days in the week?
I go there twice.
Okay. How many days in the week are there? Think. Don't worry, you just won't get any food.
7.
What? You got it. There's 7 days in the week. All right, and you go 2 days a week. It's a hybrid schedule. So what's it like when you go? First of all, what's your teacher's name?
Miss Rigger.
And you love Mrs. Rigger, right?
Ow!
Oh, sorry, I didn't mean to scream in your ear. You love Mrs. Rigger, right?
Yep.
So how do you feel when you go into school? Do you feel safe to be in school?
I give it like an A minus.
Okay.
Not too bad, but.
And go ahead.
The reason it's A minus is because it's like kind of a little bit of like. I'm trying to think.
That's okay. Take your time. It's a little bit like.
It's like cool, but there could be some new rules because they're kind of okay.
And what's the coolest thing about being in school? What do you like the most about it when you go?
Well, that's to kids, but
to see other kids.
Recess and to see, so you can see other kids.
Recess,
and have fun.
And what's your favorite class besides recess, which we established?
Probably gym because you get to work out and have fun.
Show him your big muscles. Okay, well, he's been working out.
No, I haven't. Dad.
So gym and recess are your favorite subjects. What about reading and writing and math and science?
Writing about a B plus and math S plus.
Okay. But S plus is not a grade.
It is. It's like S plus is so good. It's like
Okay. It's so good that it's not even an A, it's an S.
No, it's not
super.
even in the. It's
Okay.
so good.
Okay. All right. So you're just
And I gave
kind of
science.
Science is
S
good.
plus.
And I know how creative you are because we write stories together, and I know you can think of a lot of really cool stories. So that's good. We're working on writing. We're working on all of it, but that's great. So thank you for being with me tonight. You're the best guest I've ever had. Did you know that?
I'm kind of the only guest.
Well, hey,
I am kind of the only guest.
watch it, kid. Watch it. So, no, you are the best guest I've ever had. I really, really like being with you.
You mean the first guest?
You mean
the first guest?
Okay, first guest. So, you gave a lot of things grades. Like you said, it was an A or B. What would you give your dad? What grade would you give your dad?
F minus.
What? An F minus? And my students are watching this, and my fellow teachers. And you're gonna give your dad an F minus?
Okay, an A plus.
All right, I'll give you $5 under your pillow tonight, like I promised. Just kidding. Hey.
Get this out of the way.
Thank you, everybody. Bye.